This is going to be the most bullish Dogecoin video I have ever made or will make. Dogecoin right this second is breaking records. It is breaking all-time highs. And not only is Dogecoin going up, but the entire crypto market is literally mooning. It is going straight up without any pit stops. In this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly how to make the most money out of this situation, when to buy, when to sell. I'm also going to be giving away 250 Doge away to one lucky winner this Saturday. So stay tuned to figure out how you can enter and to win that. And stay tuned for the whole video because you cannot miss this incredible information that you must hear. What's up everyone, my name is Miles. I'm an expert in technical analysis, and every single day I make videos on Dogecoin. I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto news, and I help you guys make a lot of money. Through my expertise, I call out really big plays before they happen. I can let you know when things are gonna drop, when things are gonna rocket. So if you wanna get that information, you need that in your life, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss a single video. Additionally, if you wanna get my trade alerts, when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Cardano, Ethereum, make sure you join the Patreon. The link will be in the description below. I can help to build you a portfolio. I can teach you how to do technical analysis, a bunch of other things. You could join the Discord. We have over 2,200 active members. So guys, smash the like button for Dogecoin if you want to see Dogecoin blast off to 50 cents. If you love Dogecoin, smash it. And put in the comments below, are we going to break 50 cents tonight? Let me know. So if you guys want to win the 250 Doge, which should be worth over $100, maybe a couple $100 this Saturday, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, put anything in the comments below, and follow my Instagram. All right, so pretty much technical analysis has gone out of the window. However, we are at the level of resistance. That is something that we have faced before. But ladies and gentlemen, I have some incredible breaking news. News that you cannot miss. I'm gonna be telling you some secrets here in just a few moments. But taking a look at the Dogecoin chart, what we are seeing play out is a double cup and handle. Look at this. We had a cup and handle and a massive breakout. A massive breakout, especially considering being around the 25-cent level, looking at that breakout. But this cup and handle is even bigger, and it's very similar to the cup and handle that we faced when we were at 5 cents. So taking a look at the chart when we were at 5 cents and we had the all-time high of 8 cents, doesn't this chart kind of look familiar? Look, we had a cup and handle play out and we broke the neckline and we smashed to all-time highs. That same situation and pattern is forming right before our eyes. Look, the cup and handle again. So what is next for Dogecoin? What is going to be going on? Are we going to be going up? Are we going to be going down? Right now, ladies and gentlemen, Dogecoin is extremely bullish, which means that we are headed up and nothing is going to stop us. There's a bunch of catalysts that are bringing Dogecoin up and will bring Dogecoin up to $1. That is definitely going to happen. Dogecoin is going to go to $1. Let me know in the comments below if you agree with that. But I personally believe that Dogecoin is going to $1 very soon, possibly within 60 days. Most importantly, I'm looking at a 30-minute chart and we are just going straight up. There is no stopping. And this time, the right side of the cup is we are pretty much approaching the neckline, which means if we break above 44 cents, 45 cents, which is the neckline, and we start to pump up with a bunch of buying volume, I don't think 50 cents will be a long shot, and 50 cents will be an easy target because last night we were pretty much hovering, 39 cents or so, 40 cents all day. We didn't even go down. We pretty much are just going straight up. And in these types of situations, they can last for weeks. They can last for a couple of days. But the way this thing is looking is that this thing is probably going to last until Saturday. It might last until Friday. There might be a sell-off on Friday night. But there's a big anticipation of Saturday Night Live with Elon Musk. He is going to be hosting Saturday Night Live. And I assure you that there is going to be so much volatility on Saturday night, especially around the time when Elon Musk gets on TV. And guys, if you want to buy Dogecoin and you want to get a good platform to buy Dogecoin, check out my Webull link below. If you open up an account and deposit $100, they will give you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,200, which you can pretty much withdraw or sell immediately, buy Dogecoin with it, or just send it to your bank account, whatever you want to do. So check that out in the description below. All right, so now we are going to be doing some technical analysis. I'm going to be laying into you guys some of my secrets, what I think is really going to be happening, because my predictions are very, very accurate, as you guys can tell who have followed me for a while. And you guys ask me often, what time frame should I be looking at? I use a lot of the time frames to give me a better idea. The 24-minute time frame up to the 4-hour time frame, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 5 minutes. All of these can give us a good indication, but you always want to zoom out and take a greater look, a bigger picture at what is really going on. Because if you zoom into a 1-minute chart and you see it go up and down and up and down, you have no idea what it's doing. You see it going up and down, but it's really irrelevant, because the key is looking at the longer picture, which if you look at the longer picture, we see just pretty much straight up. But if we were to pretty much go into a 1-minute chart, we could see like a bunch of pretty much just like a crash. It would look like a crash, right? But it's only going down like not even a cent. So what we need to do is we need to take a look at the chart. We're going to zoom it out. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a level of resistance. And we are at the level of resistance. We've come above it, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be very crucial. So we've broken above it, but can we break out above it? Can we get some candles to break out and to close above it? That is the true question, because just touching it, going up to it, doesn't mean that we are going to be breaking out. No, we could get rejected and come down lower and make our entry that we've been finally looking forward to making, because it is really hard to buy something when it's pretty much at the top. Because a lot of you guys who bought here at the top, look at how much it has come down. So do not say to yourself it'll never go down, because it will. Everything goes down, nothing goes straight up in a line. And you guys would know that if you get my buy and sell alerts for crypto on my Patreon, which you guys should definitely check out. But let's take a look. So currently, right now, we are in price discovery mode, which effectually means that there are no levels of resistance past the 44-cent mark, because the price has never been up there. So being that there is no levels of resistance, that means that we are in price discovery mode, that we must discover in time the levels of resistance and support in the further levels past our current level of resistance at 44 to 45 cents. So generally in technical analysis, there's a way to measure how high we would break up. And you can do that by a couple of ways. One, we can measure the length of the previous breakout, and then we can also measure the length of the cup to the lowest point. So I think it would be more accurate to take a look at the length of the cup to give us an accurate prediction and where we will go. But if we take a look at also the length of the breakout entirely, it could give us also a good indication of where we might top out at for the relative short term. So that highest peak would be approximately 80 cents. So ladies and gentlemen, mark 80 cents in your books. 80 cents is going to be a key level, a possible level of resistance that we must face. And also between 71 cents and 68 cents, I think will be a possible top. I think that's where we could top out at, and we might start to head down at that point, because we're taking a look at the previous levels of the rising up, and we're comparing and measuring how far we've gone up in our previous runs. It gives us historical data, how far it has gone up and how much it has performed. Taking a look at those measurements can give us a good indication of where we could go. And not only I do this, but a lot of people that do technical analysis, they measure these breakouts and they get pretty close to these levels if you measure according to the previous breakouts. So what I think is going to be happening, because we are continuing very bullish, I think we're going to break out. I think we're going to break out past the level of resistance, maybe as you're watching this video, or we might come down. So nobody can tell the future, nobody knows the future. But if we do break out past 44 cents, I think that we will go up at least till 50 cents. 50 cents is not even out of the question even tonight or tomorrow. So make sure you guys be aware. And I would start looking to take profits. I would be starting to look to take profits, especially if you're in at a cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents. If you're at double your money, you want to start looking to take some of these profits, because we can come down just as fast as we came up. But I don't think we're going to crash. But I do think that we could have some strong corrections or retracements, which would be good opportunities to buy. So you want to start collecting and securing some of your profits and then buying in at the dips. That is my strategies. I'm going to be letting you guys know when to buy and sell in the Patreon, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.